Why not help you all today to figure out foundations, of places, and one problem that everybody has is how to select a foundation. What is a medium coverage? What is a full coverage? What is a tinted moisturizer? Why one needs full coverage? Why one needs medium coverage? I'm gonna help you understand why and what today. A couple of favorite foundations, and let's start with why you need a certain foundation. So why would you need a medium coverage? Or what is a medium coverage, buildable coverage? Why would you need a full coverage foundation? Well, if you have a clear skin like mine, you might just need something like a tinted moisturizer. That is a Laura Mercier, Armani, a lot of brands have it, Maybelline has it. So a lot of brands have a tinted moisturizer. This is basically a moisturizer with a little foundation in it, and it's very, very beautiful, flows very easy. It's like a cream. You see that? And this is one of my favorites. It is by Laura Mercier and it's my perfect color match. So if you have a very clear skin and you just want natural coverage, medium coverage, this is what a tinted moisturizer is going to do. It gives you a very natural coverage with a slight glow. This is amazing for Zoom meeting. This is amazing for a lunch. This is what a tinted moisturizer does. It has a buildable coverage. Now I'm going to take my Estee Lauder. This is called the Double Wear Foundation, and it has crazy cover. You have acne marks. You have, when my clients have a lot of breakouts, a lot of pit marks, this works very well. Again, I'm going to take this thing. Taking a sponge, and this is the Estee Lauder that I'm dabbing in. So this, you see, it looks like there's a foundation. If I set it with powder and stuff, it will all, and then of course there's going to be bronzer and blush and all of that will come on top. This side is what is the most natural, but it's not covered by marks here. Now if I take the Estee Lauder and just go on top of that, so this is what is full coverage. Now if I go ahead and blend this out, you will see the difference here. You will see how much more coverage is there than the rest of my face. It also highlighted my face at the same time. How pretty is that? So this was Estee Lauder, a full coverage foundation, and Laura Mercier, which is a tinted moisturizer. You see the difference? I'm going to take all of this off now. Now I'm going to show you Huda, that is extremely full coverage, and buildable coverage of Pat McGrath. These two, full coverage and buildable coverage. So full coverage is again like the Estee Lauder, and this is a matte finish. Again, there is matte and glowing finish. That's the kind of foundations you need to understand. If you want a glowing skin, you like dewy finish. I love dewy finish. That's my USP. I usually go, Huda is something I use only if my client's skin requires it. Otherwise, it's too thick of a consistency for me personally to use it. I'm taking some on my sponge. Like, it's an insane amount of coverage, and I've just taken like slightly. From the other side, I'm blending it out. This was literally just like 2 drops, and yeah. And it's pretty matte finish. It doesn't have a glow. So Huda has a matte finish. I'm going to do this Pat McGrath. It's one of my favorite brands. I love using this on my brides, especially if the skin is nice and clear. It's very, very amazing. Now this is called buildable coverage. When I say buildable coverage, that means you can add and build it up. I'm going to go and use it right here. Of course, they all are different colors. And now I'm going to blend it out. Building it up and take it to, this level. This automatically is very thick consistency. And then you have to highlight it and stuff if you want a glowing skin. And this, taking off the foundation again. So there is my foundation out. And now I'm going to do a natural coverage with buildable coverage. I'm going to use my glass serum. This is by Peach and Lily, just because I've been wiping my face. I need some moisture. Now I'm going to be using my Dior Buildable Coverage and my Bobbi Brown, that's a weightless full coverage, and it has shine control as well. So if you're oily skin, Bobbi Brown has amazing foundations. This is in Bobbi Brown called Golden Natural. Again, I'm taking only this much, like literally, and there we go. That's blending it out. This is not as dense as Huda, but it has a very good coverage. It is shine control and it absolutely does not feel like there's a foundation on your face. See that? Now I'm taking my Armani. This is, again, it's called Power Fabric and it's a very high coverage foundation, but it's buildable as well. So one side is Bobbi Brown, and again I'm taking just 2 drops. I'm just taking all of them 2 drops, taking off some product and wiping it in a dry tissue, and there. So the day it's a wedding, evening event, important dinner date, I would do a full coverage. But if it's not needed, I do a tinted moisturizer. But then again, guys, your skin has to be that clear. If you have acne marks, pitted marks, hyperpigmentation, you need to use foundation that would cover it all, wouldn't you? Rather take care of your skin and just use a tinted moisturizer. So this is the Armani. So here we have the Power Fabric and here we have the Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown is a weightless foundation, oil control, and has a nice glow. Power Fabric is again on the matte side, full coverage foundation, but it looks like a second skin. That's the most amazing power of this Armani foundation. I really love them. So there we are, my skin all clear again. So my skin has dried out now. I'm going to use Dior Backstage Foundation that is very fluid, buildable coverage, and your Makeup Forever HD, that's high definition. That means the pigments that are used in this foundation sit on your face and they give you high definition images. They look beautiful. This is slightly darker skin tone than mine, so bear with me on that. But I'm taking the Dior. This is in 3N, that's 3 neutral, and I'm gonna apply it. You will see what a beautiful coverage it has. Here we are. You see this Dior, oh my god, it is beautiful. I love Dior. It's for some reason my topmost foundation. Now I'm gonna take my HD. Always shake the bottle before you get the foundation out. I always start from the center and then I take it out. Anyways, so this is your Dior and this is your Makeup Forever HD. You see how it has a slight glow, the Dior Makeup Forever HD is a little matte finish but very high def. So all these brands, whether Maybelline, whether L'Oreal, whichever, you'll have buildable coverage, medium coverage, tinted moisturizer. So this is what it means. You will buy a full coverage if you really want to hide a lot of things on your face. A buildable coverage is if you have certain pimple marks, you want maybe not eventually build it up. A tinted moisturizer is for a very day look. If you have a Zoom meeting or if you have a very quiet dinner date or things like that and you want to feel like yourself but still have a healthy glowing skin, tinted moisturizer is for you. I hope this session was good enough. I hope this session helped you. See you then. Bye.